Well, dear students, today we'll continue with the nature of the roots only. A few more problems. But before doing that one, we would like to revise the thing that we have already studied. What are the conditions required? I shall show it one by one. So let's see that one. If b square minus 4ac, that is called the discriminant. If the value of the discriminant, that is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and a perfect square, then the roots are real, distinct and rational. I repeat once again, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real, distinct and what? Rational, and it should be a perfect square. And the second one, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, then in that case the roots are real, distinct but irrational. The third case, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are equal. The last condition is, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. The roots are imaginary in ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ or even complex. So please have this one in mind, and we'll just work out another 3 problems today, and then we shall pass on to the next one. Now here is the first problem for you to work out. But when I show that one, you please see that you write down that problem also. Now what is the first problem? Discuss the nature of the roots. Under the heading, discuss the nature of the roots. Then under that one, the first problem today we have is 4x squared plus 5x plus 1 equals 0. 4x squared plus 5x plus 1 equals 0. What is the first step? We have to find out which one? The value of b squared minus 4ac. Before that one, we have to analyze the values of a, b and c. So now here, write down here. Yes, a equals 4. Kantajali. B equals what? 5. C equals 1. I have analyzed the values of a, b and c. Next, you have to write down the discriminant. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Find out the value of b squared minus 4ac. In the next step, I write b squared minus 4ac. Then I substitute for a, b, c. b takes the value 5. Therefore 5 squared minus 4 into a means 4. C is 1. Now you see that 5 squared minus 4 into 1. Simplified further. What is 5 squared? That is 25. Minus, what is 4 into 4 into 1? That is 16. 25 minus 16. What is its value? 9. Certainly, 9 is greater than 0. Am I right? 9 is greater than 0. The next thing is, you must see when it is greater than 0, you must see whether it is a perfect square or not. Here 9 is a perfect square. Write down, and is a perfect square. Bariri. And is a perfect square. Therefore, what is your conclusion? Now you see that it is greater than 0 and a perfect square. What is the conclusion? The roots are real and then distinct and rational. So therefore the roots are very big. The roots are, yes, real. First one is real. Next one is distinct and rational. That is the point. See, 3 points very big. The roots are real, distinct and real. Why? Because it is greater than 0. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Ashtala is a perfect square. Then I shall go to the next problem. And In the next problem, it is like this. Please write down the problem. When I show that one, please write down the problem. 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. First of all, analyze the values of a, b, c here. Here, a is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 3. And 1 I have not taken to the right hand side. It is not in the standard form. Therefore, what should have been the first step? 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. You should have taken 1 to the, which one? The left hand side. Not really. Hage marke agodilla. Namarke prayatna pattidde. It is not right. So, you have to bring it to the standard form. It is not in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Therefore, the first step is to bring it to the standard form. When I bring it to the standard form, what will it become? Equation become 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. Then only you can analyze the values of a, b and c. Here a equals 2, b equals minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. I have analyzed the value. Then I have to find out the value of the discriminant. What is the discriminant? B squared minus 4ac. Correct our area. And substitute for a, b and c here. What is b? Minus 3. Minus 3 the whole square. Minus 4ac. 4 into 2 into minus 1. See now? Minus 3 the whole square. Minus 4 into 2 into minus 1. Simplify money. What is minus 3 the whole square? It is plus 9. And then once again, minus 4 into 2 into minus 1 means 2 minus ಇದೆ. 4 into minus plus, minus and minus plus, 4 into 2 is 8. 9 plus 8. What will it become equal to? What is 9 plus 8? It is 17. So 17 is a positive integer. And it is certainly greater than 0. But not a perfect square. But not a perfect square. That is a very important point you have to note down. Yavattu 0 ge greater nadre, is it a perfect square or not? Noಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here it is not a perfect square. Then what is your conclusion? Therefore, the roots are, but you know, the roots are real. First one is real. And then the second one is distinct. How the? Real, distinct, but irrational, rational. Irrational. The roots are irrational. Why? Because it is not a perfect square. Though it is greater than 0, it is not a perfect square. Therefore, the roots are real, distinct, but not rational. That is irrational. So, that's how I have finished the second problem. I shall go to the third problem. Please be ready. Write down the problem. You will be able to see that. 3x squared, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3x squared, ಕೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ. 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Write it. 3x squared, yes, minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Then once again, analyze. Is it in the standard form? Correct idea, sir. Ax squared plus bx plus c form ಇದೆ. Or I can directly write the values of a, b and c. Write down. Here, what is the value of a? A equals 3. What is the value of b? B equals minus 2. What is the value of c? C equals 1. Are you able to see that? I have analyzed the values of a, b and c. Then what is the next step? I have to find out the value of the discriminant. What is the discriminant? B squared minus 4ac. I have to find out the value of b squared minus 4ac. What is the value of b? Minus 2. B square means what? Minus 2 the whole square. Kanata? Minus 2 the whole square. Minus 4ac. Minus 4 into a means 3. C means what? 1. Kanata really? Minus 2 the whole square. Minus 4 into 3 into 1. Now simplify. What is minus 2 the whole square? 4. Then minus 3 into 3, minus 4 into 3 into 1 is minus 12. What is 4 minus 12? It is a negative value. See that? It is minus 8. Negative value bandu. Negative value bandre, you must write it less than 0. Minus 8 is less than 0. When b square minus 4ac is negative, certainly the roots are not real. The roots are not real, but the roots are imaginary. They are imaginary anta baritivi. Imaginary or complex antlu baribahudu. So once again, the roots are real but are what? Imaginary. They are imaginary roots and ಕಂಡಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. They are negative ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Square root of minus 8 ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ? ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. And therefore you must understand that they are imaginary or you can say that complex. I hope you understood. I have worked out only simple problems. When I come to miscellaneous problems, I will be able to work out harder problems. Till then, you will have to wait. Now here, for practice, I have just given you some simple problems. Over. That is the nature of the roots over ಆಯಿತು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ನೇನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಈಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಯಾವ ಥರ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ನೇಚರ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. The first application, please write down neatly. Find the value of p. Write down. Find the value of p if the roots of the equation x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. Are equal. Again I repeat, find the value of p if the roots of the equation x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0 are equal. Very important. ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. if the roots are equal, ಇಂಥ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So it may be 3 marks question, ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 2 or 3 marks or 2 marks, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 4 marks question ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it's a very important application. Once again I repeat it. If the roots of the equation x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0 are equal, find the value of p. Okay. First step, what exactly? ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Roots are equal ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore ಅದನ್ನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? Given that the roots are equal. Write down the first step. Given that ಅದು ಬರೆಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. Given that the roots are equal. Given that the roots are equal. See that? Given that the roots are equal. Because the roots are equal, ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು? If the roots are equal, then ಅಥವಾ therefore ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Therefore b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Am I right? Given that the roots are equal, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Right. I have to analyze a, b, c. Write down the equation. What is the equation? X squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. x square minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. Analyze the values of a, b and c. What is the value of a here? A equals 1, b equals minus 6, c equals 9. ನೋಡಿ, x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. What is the value of a? A is equal to 1. What is the value of b? B equals minus 6. What is the value of c? C equals 9. Then ಯಾರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು b square minus 4ac. ಯಾಕೆ b square minus 4ac equals 0? ಹಾಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. b square minus 4ac equals 0 because given that the roots are equal. Therefore, what is the value of b? Minus 6 the whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 9 equals 0. See that? Minus 6 the whole square. b ಬದಲು ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ? Minus 6 the whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 9 equals 0. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. What is minus 6 the whole square? Plus 36. Then 4 into ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು x square minus 6x plus 9 equals 0 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6px ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಇಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ x square minus 6px plus 9 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ, x square minus 6x plus 9 equals ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ನಾನು ಪಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು, ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ. x square minus 6px plus 9 equals 0. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ b is equal to minus 6p ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? p equals minus 6p ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 6p the whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ 36p squared ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 6p the whole square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 36p squared ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ minus 36 is equal to 0. ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಆ ಲೆಕ್ಕನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ once again ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾಯಿತು. ನೋಡಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಇಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6px ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 equals 0. That's the correction that you have to take. Then I can find the value of x. Then what is the first step you have done? Given that the roots are equal, therefore b square minus 4ac equals 0. You have to analyze the values of the a, b, c there. What is the value of a? A is equal to 1. b is equal to, ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು, minus 6 ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು. minus 6px ಅಂದರೆ x ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. minus 6p and then c is equal to 9. And then apply ಮಾಡಿ. b square means minus 6p the whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 9 equals 0. What is 6p the whole square minus 6p the whole square equal to 36p square minus 36 equals 0. From that one I can find the value of a. Not a but p. So 36p square equals minus 36 not equals c. It becomes plus 36. Am I right? I have to transfer minus 36 to right hand side when it becomes plus 36. Then what is the value of p square? P square is 36 upon 36. What is 36 upon 36? 1. P square is equal to 1. Therefore, what is the value of p? P is equal to square root of 1. That is equal to 1. What is the value of p? P square equals 1 ಆದಾಗ what is the value of p? P is square root of 1. What is square root of 1? That is how you can find the value of which one? P. And similarly, I shall take up another problem and you will be able to know it much better than what exactly I have done. There shall not be any kind of confusion. We shall see that whether there is p there or not in the equation. Yes sir, write down the equation. Find the value of p. Yes, I repeat. Find the value of p if the roots of the equation. Find the value of p if the roots of the equation 2a squared plus 3a plus p equals 0. p ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ p ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ kindly excuse me, now we shall just do it correctly. So 2a square plus 3a plus p equals 0 are equal if the roots are equal. So if the roots of the equation are equal, find the value of p. You have written the problem? Yes sir. Now we shall write down the problem itself. Given equation 2a square plus 3a plus P equals 0. That is the given equation. Am I right? Bari first equation bari. Next, given that, given that, their condition, the roots are equal. Am I right? Given that the roots are equal. Roots are equal. Adaga find the value of P. So, first of all, condition baribeku. Given that the roots are equal. If the roots are equal, what is the condition? Therefore, B squared minus 4AC equals 0. I hope you understood. B squared minus 4AC is equal to 0. So substitute for A, B and C, get the value of P. What is B here? Analyze ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here, A is equal to what? 2. ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ? 2A squared. 2A squared ತಕ್ಷಣ A ಬದಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2. B, what is the value of B? B is 3. Second one, 3A ಇದೆ. What is the value of B? That is 3. What is the C? C is equal to P. Correct? C is equal to P. Substitute now. B squared. B squared means what? 3 squared. New ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Minus 4AC. 4 into 2 into P equals 0. Now very simple problems ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ to start with. So practice ಗೋಸ್ಕರ simple ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ miscellaneous problems ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You'll be able to know that. So 3 squared minus 4 into 2 into P equals 0. Simplify. What is 3 squared? That is 9. Minus 4 into 2, 8. P equals 0. 9 minus 8P equals 0. 9 minus 8P equals 0. Agade kalsi 9 anna. Minus 8P is equal to minus 9. Minus 8P equals minus 9. Yadakove minus idiyala? You can cancel it. Minus minus cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Minus 8P equals minus 9 andre 8P is equal to 9 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Therefore, what is the value of P? Therefore, P is equal to 9 by 8. It's a very easy one. I hope you understood. Sala, I will just take up the last problem of the day. Last problem of the day. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡೋಣ. Find the value of P. Write down. Find the value of P. Find the value of P if the roots of the equation, if the roots of the equation 2y squared minus py plus 1 equals 0. P ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 2y squared minus py plus 1 is equal to 0 are equal. Again, find the value of P if the roots of the equation 2y squared minus py plus 1 equals 0 are equal. So first of all, what is the first thing? You write the equation. What is given equation? 2y squared minus py plus 1 equals 0. Yes sir, it is the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 formal ಇದೆ. And then what is the thing there? What is the condition they are given? The roots are equal. Write down. Given that, ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದನ. Given that, ಅದು ಬರಿದರೆ 0 marks. Given that the roots are equal. Very very important. Given that the roots are equal. ಅದನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Then only you can apply. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ b square 4ac equals 0 ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. They just question why. How is that you have put that one? No, it's not possible. You have to mention there, given that the roots are equal, therefore b squared minus 4ac equals 0. You have to put like that. B squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then apply for a, b, c here. Analyze Mari. Here, what is the value of a? A is equal to 2, b equals minus p, c equals 1. ನೋಡಿ correct ಇದೆಯಾ? A the equation 2y squared. Therefore a takes the value 2. Minus py. Y ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Minus p means that is the value of b. What is the c? C is equal to 1. Okay. Then apply. B squared minus p the whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a means 2, c means 1 is equal to 0. Noti? Minus p the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 1 is equal to 0. I think you have understood. Apply, you can only simplify madi. That is minus p the whole square means what? It is p square minus 8 equals to 0. P square minus 8 equals 0. Then what exactly you have to do? You have to transfer minus 8 to the right hand side. What will it become? P square is equal to plus 8. Am I right? You should not stop at the stage. You are expected to find out the value of P. Therefore, what is the value of P? P equals plus or minus square root of 8. See that? P is equal to plus or minus 8. Therefore, what is the value of P? That is plus or minus 8 and I can write 4 into 2. Therefore, P equals plus or minus 2 root 2. ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಮೊದಲನೇದಲ್ಲೂ ಪಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿ 1 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಹಾಕಿ ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇನಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 8 ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 8ನ 4 into 2 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಆಚೆ 2 ಬಂತು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 root 2. So there are the two values of P. So that's how we can just work out the problem. Next time we shall continue with that one. Good evening to all of you. But you must work out all the problems which I worked out today. But ಮೊದಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಲೆಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ P ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I have added that P. Kindly see that you take the correction and just do it correctly. Okay. Thank you. Good evening to all of you. Tomorrow we'll just meet as usual.